Hi everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Amanda M. Today I'm making potato salad. This is a serving for about 4 to 5 people, so I'm only using 3 russet potatoes, a small Fuji apple, 1 egg, sweet relish, sugar, red and green bell peppers, a quarter of an onion, mayo, mustard, paprika, Creole seasoning, and salt and pepper. The first thing I like to do is put the egg to boil. Once that's out of the way, I chop up my red bell peppers and the green bell peppers into small little pieces and a quarter of an onion. I ended up using less than a quarter. You want to peel the potatoes and chop them up into bite-sized pieces, and I boil them for exactly 5 minutes. Since they're chopped up, they do overcook quickly and you don't want to have mashed potatoes. So you can set aside half a teaspoon of sweet relish, and my potatoes are done now, so I'm setting them aside and letting them cool off. You don't want to make the potato salad with them so hot. So while the potatoes cool off, I peel and chop up the egg into little pieces. Like I mentioned before, this is a small potato salad, so I'm using a small Fuji apple. They're sweet and they are really tasty, and I'm chopping them up into tiny pieces. Now that the potatoes are cool, place them in a bowl and add salt and pepper to taste. Then you're gonna add a quarter teaspoon of sugar. And I'm starting off with 4 tablespoons of mayo. Now add your chopped onion, your red and green bell peppers, and your sweet relish, and mix it up well. Add half a tablespoon of yellow mustard for color and 2 more tablespoons of mayo. I'm trying to get the desired texture that I want, so you'll see that I continue to add mayo throughout the video. Now I'm adding my egg and apple. I'm mixing it up. And here I go again with the mayo. And then add Creole seasoning, paprika, and salt and pepper to taste. And you're all done. As you go, you can try your potato salad. Whatever you think it's missing, you can incorporate it. It's never too late to add what you want. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and remember to like and subscribe to my channel to see upcoming videos on Cooking with Amanda M.